Discover 17 remarkable and unconventional methods people employ to earn a living. Let's dive right into it. Selling unused insurance or services. Offering insurance or services that remain unclaimed. A well-known example is the title insurance sector. However, a particularly striking instance involved a local psychologist who offered counseling services to companies as part of their HR benefits package. Remarkably, these services were never utilized, resulting in pure profit. Profit from waste. You obtain a waste product from a manufacturer, proposing to remove it for them. The next step involves repurposing and selling this material. It's an added advantage if the manufacturer allows you to determine the selling price. A practical example of profit from waste involves a company that collects scrap metal from manufacturing facilities. This company offers to clear out the unwanted metal, which the manufacturers view as waste or excess from their production processes. After collecting the metal, the company sorts, cleans, and repurposes it. Buy by acre, sell by foot. The strategy involves purchasing extensive plots of land at a collective rate, typically measured in acres. This initial acquisition is made with the foresight of increasing value through subdivision. After acquiring the land, the investor proceeds to divide the large tract into smaller, more manageable parcels, often selling these subdivided lots by the square foot. This method capitalizes on the demand for smaller, more affordable pieces of land, potentially yielding higher returns than selling the original large tract as a single unit. It's a practice that not only maximizes the financial potential of the land, but also meets diverse market needs. Innovation protected by patents. While not all innovations are eligible for patent protection, certain unique inventions are. A standout example is the poop socket, invented by a philosophy professor who secured a patent for it. In 2018, this patented invention generated $200 million in revenue and $90 million in profits. The patent effectively safeguards the invention, ensuring its exclusive commercial rights. Monetizing user-generated data. Companies gather information from users and monetize it. A case in point is FlightAware, which offers complementary software that enables 32,000 enthusiasts worldwide to track aircraft. This organization collects data at no cost and then markets it to affluent corporations. The revenue generated from such transactions has enabled the founder to purchase a home valued at $18 million. Selling to collectives. Individual customers often negotiate aggressively. However, when dealing with a collective, such as homeowners associations, HOAs, or governmental bodies, the sense of personal accountability tends to diminish, making it less likely for anyone to rigorously negotiate or hold you to account. For instance, selling landscaping services to an HOA might result in less scrutiny over prices and service details compared to a single homeowner, as the collective's management may not prioritize cost saving as strongly. Discovering revenue streams. It's about uncovering sources of income, much like Jim, known for his Pancake Ventures. Jim operates a large griddle trailer, aiding groups in raising funds. The process is simple. Organizations encourage their supporters to purchase breakfast at $20 per person. With each meal costing Jim $1.50 to make, he sells them for $7 each. Annually, he participates in over 50 events, with some attracting more than 1,000 attendees. Remarkable, indeed. Side hustle. Back in 1995, an individual was employed scouting land for retail chains, identifying suitable locations for them to expand. During this process, he cleverly secured small portions of these lands for his own use, with the vision of developing strip malls adjacent to these retail giants. Today, he boasts ownership of 10 strip malls, generating an impressive annual cash flow of $3.75 million. Monopolizing a critical passage. The tale of the Ambassador Bridge in Detroit is a fascinating one. It serves as a vital conduit, with 25% of all cargo between Detroit and Canada passing over it. This exclusive control over a key access point essentially turns it into a lucrative revenue stream. Its profitability and strategic importance were so compelling that Warren Buffett patiently awaited the opportunity to acquire a 25% stake in it, highlighting its value as an unparalleled asset. Facilitating market entry. This involves assisting an individual or company in penetrating a new market. A notable example is Tom Friedkin, the founder of Gulf States Toyota. Through strategic moves and seizing opportunities, he and his company have amassed significant wealth. The turning point came when Friedkin capitalized on the chance to introduce Toyota vehicles to Houston, a move that now earns him a commission on each vehicle sold. Government-sanctioned monopoly. This occurs when the government restricts competition in a certain area. A prime example I admire is the fireworks store located near Memphis. This particular outlet holds the exclusive retail license within a 30-mile radius, effectively barring any potential competitors. Such exclusivity makes competition non-viable, with the store reportedly earning an estimated $2 million annually. Capitalizing on geographic price differences. This strategy involves purchasing goods in one location where they are cheaper and then selling them in another location at a higher price to exploit regional price disparities. For instance, a trader buys bulk quantities of coffee beans from a producer in Colombia, where the cost is relatively low due to abundant production. The trader then sells these beans in urban markets in the United States or Europe, where demand is high and consumers are willing to pay premium prices. This geographic price difference allows the trader to capitalize on the higher market value in the destination region, generating a profit from the disparity. Help rich people show off. This service focuses on assisting individuals in showcasing their wealth or social status through various means. An entrepreneur sets up a luxury car rental service, catering exclusively to high net worth individuals seeking to flaunt their affluence at special events or social gatherings. This service enables clients to arrive in style, driving the latest high-end vehicles without the commitment of purchasing, directly appealing to their desire to display wealth and status. Turning customer acquisition cost, CAC, into a revenue stream. Companies that successfully transform their customer acquisition cost, CAC, into a source of profit stand out in the business world. A notable example is FreightWaves, which operates both a media division and a software-as-a-service, SaaS, data segment. For this SaaS entity, the media arm effectively acts as a negative customer acquisition cost, essentially making the process of acquiring customers profitable. Facilitating tax harvesting. This approach involves leveraging strategies that allow large corporations to optimize their tax situations in a fully rational manner. A financial consultancy specializes in advising large corporations on strategic investments that qualify for tax credits or deductions. By carefully selecting projects that offer environmental benefits or support for local communities, these corporations can significantly reduce their tax liabilities. This method not only ensures compliance with tax regulations, but also enhances the corporation's public image by demonstrating a commitment to social and environmental responsibility. Brand licensing revenue. This model involves earning income by allowing others to leverage your brand's reputation. For example, organizers conduct competitions in which wineries pay an entry fee to participate. The winners are then granted the privilege of featuring an award emblem on their labels, signifying their achievement and association with the esteemed brand. Enhancing asset value. This concept involves identifying undervalued assets, applying strategic improvements, and subsequently unlocking their potential value. A well-known example of this principle in action is house flipping, where investors purchase properties, renovate them, and sell them at a higher price. Or an entrepreneur acquires a vintage car at a below-market price due to its need for restoration. By investing in repairs and aesthetic enhancements, the entrepreneur significantly increases the car's value. The revitalized vehicle is then sold at a premium, showcasing the concept of adding value through strategic refurbishment. This process not only brings a classic car back to life, but also turns a substantial profit by tapping into the niche market of vintage car collectors. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.